Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Performing some maintenance on my Hammond B3 today. Watch this. This one. Okay, so I've already removed the screws. I got one. Not properly. Okay. Yep. It's bent in there. All right. All right. So that right there is loose. All right. So let's see if I can find the right driver. Here you go. It's a 5/16. What I'll need for this one. Use a 5/16. Tighten that up. Okay. And what was the other one? Okay. All right, let's see if we can put this back on. What I need to do is pull the whole bass pedal board out and tighten up this entire bass pedal board. That's what I need to do. It's kind of hard to do this while I'm holding the camera. Okay, I got to go ahead and take this bass pedal board out. I'm gonna just take I'm gonna take my pedals over here, and I'm gonna tighten up everything. Because see, look right here. See, it's not sitting here right. It's not setting right. It's not setting even. But once I finish tightening up this entire bass pedal board, it'll set even all the way across. So let me do that. All right. Even the Hammond Doc has to do maintenance on his own organ. But that's what I'm doing right now. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp. Peace out.